हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक इन एजुकेशन एंड इंफॉर्मेशन। मनी यानी पैसा। दोस्तों, पैसा भी बहुत अजीब चीज है। पैसा भी बड़ी अजीब चीज है। जिसके पास होता है वो किसी को इज्जत नहीं देता और जिसके पास नहीं होता है उसको कोई इज्जत नहीं देता। द सेम थीम वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न फ्रॉम द पोएम by William H. Davis, Money 2.6 Standard 12. In this poem, we learn about the title, about the poet, about the poem, about the all 5 stanzas in detail, about the figure of speech, and yes, rhyme words and rhyme scheme, which is very important part of this poem. So watch the video till the end, like, comment, share, and ये बहुत important लाइफ में होता है, ज़रूरी है। I can understand without money it is impossible to live. Now in this corona pandemic, you realize, everyone realize the importance of money due to many people are the jobless and various problems they are facing for the bread and butter. But my dear friend, have few friend, have a little money, try to enjoy whatever you have. Don't try to grab much more. As we know, when you have a lot of money, you will have the lot of people, lot of friends, lot of fame also, but it is useless. These people are not real, not honest, like poet has experienced same you maybe have. So even though you have less money, even though you are the poor, try to be friendly, try to help others. And introduction about the poets. William B. Davis, 1871 to 1940, a popular Welsh poet and writer. He spent a significant part of his life as a tramp or hobo, UK and US, a peddler or street singer in England, and yes, the first publication of his work, which is very well known, The Soul's Destroyer and others poem. And yes, my dear friend, let's learn about theme of the poem. As look at the title of the poem, Money. The poem is all about the importance and about the money in human life, or a person having not money in his pocket, what is the situation? If having the money in his pocket, what is his condition? We will learn in this poem. See, theme of the poem. Money is not everything in life. Money does not give you real happiness. Even though we are going to learn importance of the money, see the theme of the poem. True friends are those who remain with you even when you don't have money. Poor people laugh freely with their little earning and few friends. If not having the money, even though poor people are happy with their little earning, whatever they are earning, with the few friends. This is one more theme of the poem. And next, in richness, a lot of friends or poets remain false and untrue, but in poverty, friends were few but true. Let's have a glance about the poem. The poem tells us about the real happiness in our life. It tells about the place of money in our life. It also tells about money cannot help purchase the happiness. It also tells about the real friend and real joy of our life. And money also tells money cannot give you eternal happiness. This is new words which you may take the screenshot of this. It may be helpful for you dealing with the poem. These are the few just words. Just go through. If you get stuck somewhere, yes, you can come back to hear about learning the new word. And now, my dear friend, let's begin with the stanza 1. When I had money, oh, I knew no joy till I went poor. For many a false man as a friend came knocking all day at my door. Poet is telling in the first stanza, just look at this word, money, oh. Just here, the poet is stressing the oh. Yes, when I had money, जब मेरे पास पैसा था, money, oh, जब मेरे पास पैसा था. I knew no joy till I went poor. मुझे तब तक नहीं पता चला जब तक मैं poor हो गया, मैं poor बन गया, मैं गरीब बन गया, जब तक मेरे पास पैसा था कि रियल हैप्पीनेस क्या होता है। फॉर मेनी अ फॉल्स मैन एज अ फ्रेंड केम नॉकिंग ऑल डे एट माई डोर। तब तक मेरे घर में हर टाइम बहुत सारे लोग आते थे, फ्रेंड्स आते थे फॉर नॉकिंग द डोर बिकॉज आई हैड अ मनी दैट टाइम। You understand, my dear friend? In first stanza, poet is telling about his past life when he is having money in his pockets. The poet tells about the past time when he had much money and rich. He did not know the real joy until he became a poor. He had many friends but not true one. All his fake friends came to him only they were in need and they need his money, not poet himself. Why people are coming to the poet? In the first stanza, poet is telling that because he is having the money, they are not having the true friend. And in this stanza there are poetic devices also, repetition, alliteration and hyperbole, which I will discuss when I will go through all the stanza. Now we will begin with the stanza second. Then felt I like a child that holds a trumpet that he must not blow. Because a man is dead, I dare not speak to let this false word know. Here, trumpet, a musical instrument. Here, the poet is saying that when my condition is like that time I am giving others people money. मैं दूसरे लोगों को पैसा देता था, लेकिन my condition is like I have the trumpet, musical instrument in my hand like child, but I can't play because I have certain status in my life. Even though I can't ask them for money, my bag, because a man is dead, I dare not speak let this false word to know. और मैं उनको बोल भी नहीं सकता था कि because even though I need the money, because I need to maintain the status with them, because I need to live in this world. See the second stanza. Here the poet compares himself with a child holding a trumpet but do not know how to play it. Yes, he have the trumpet in the small kid's hand, but he don't know to play. The second thing, he have the trumpet but he is not allowing to play because it may disturb to others, it may get noise to others. So the same condition, but he is unhappy as he not the freedom. And the same condition of the poet here, the poet has not courage to tell this grief because he assumed that humanity is no more, man is dead. In this false word, he hopes that let the world should try to know this. And this stanza also there are figure of speech, simile, onomatopoeia and meta. Stanza thoughts. Much I have thought of life and seen how poor men's hearts are ever light, and how their wives do hum like bees about their work from moon till night. And my dear friend, in this stanza third, poet is telling about the poor people's life. Yes, much I have thought of life and seen how poor men's hearts are ever light. Even poor men, they are in the light-hearted. How their wives do hum like bees. Even the wives are working hard with the husband. Even though even she is happy with him because she respect to her husband about the work from moon till night. Let's go through stanza third, my dear friend. Much I have thought of life and seen how poor men's hearts are ever light, and how their wives do hum like bees about their work from moon till night. In the third stanza, poet is telling when he become the poor, what is condition of the poor people.
समाज के लिए आगे आएं, सब्सक्राइब करें।
Poet had been thinking about life continually and also gone through journey of life. He realized that poor people are living happy life. Their wives are also happily singing the song, appreciating the hardship from the morning till night, what the husbands are taking. And here there is reality of life of the poor person. Yes, both are working very hard for their life, but the wife is happy with the husband, and she is appreciating to her husband of the hard work he is doing, and like the same husband also towards the life. And here poet is continually telling about the life of the poor people in stanza 3rd. Here also poetic devices like inversion, tautology, alliteration, simile and antithesis, which I will explain when we will finish the poem. Now let's move towards the stanza 4th. Now let's move towards stanza 4th. So when I hear these poor ones laugh and see the rich ones coldly frown, poor men think I need not go up. So much as rich men should come down. In the 4th stanza, poet is telling about again poor people's life. Poet think that he had seen whatever the poor people living their life happily, the rich people are ill at ease. They become jealous and angry. Hence, the poet feels poor people not need to be rich, but the rich people must be poor. It means that the rich people must know the poor life, so when they lost their prosperity, it would be fine and can deal with the with the condition. Here in the 4th stanza, poet is telling about the poor people. Yes, poor people should be rich, but what about the rich people? They should be poor. That unless they once become the poor, they will not understand the joy of life, and so they need to come down. Here poetic devices like inversion, and this is an alliteration. Now let's move to the stanza 5th. When I had money, oh, my many friends proved all untrue. But now I have no money. Oh, my friends are real, though very few. In the 5th stanza, even the last stanza, poet is telling that when he is having the money, he is having the lot of friends, but all are the untrue. But now he don't have the money. He become the poor. He have friends, even the very few friends he have, but they all are real friends. They are teaching them the real happiness. The poet tells us that the time when he had enough money, he had so many friends. He regularly admits that all his friends were not sincere to him. They are just coming to him because he is having the lot of money and he is spending on them. But now he has become poor, and now the poet had lost his prosperity, but he gained friends even though they are less in number, but they are the true one. And these friends, even the poor, they are the very true. By heart, they are the really readily help to each other. In this stanza, also poetic devices, repetition, antithesis and alliteration. Differences between rich and poor men. Why? In this poem, it's very important. Poet is stressed on the life of the rich people and poor people with money, and like poor people without or with short of money. Mine is about full rich people. Mine is full tears, so can't enjoy, and poor people heart is light. Rich people coldly frown, means you will see that they are frown, but they will very sincerely even they frown. Laughs heartily, right? वो heartily enjoy करते हैं अपनी life. Has many friends when person is rich, and when person is poor has very few friends, but which are very true friends. And the last, all false friends have many friends when person is rich, but all are the false who is just behind, coming to home, knocking the door, buy with the money. And but when person is poor, he is having very less friend, very few friend, which are very true friend. And my dear friend, you also observe in your life, you have seen that you have the various friends in your life. When you had the money, or sometimes you don't have the money. See, this is the same situation. Poet it is telling about us. So we should realize, we should find out who is the real friend and who is the not real of the poem, stanza wise. As poem has 5 stanza, each stanza contains 4 lines. So rhyme pairs are, see, only 2 words are similar. O, poor, friend, duo. So what will be rhyme pair? Rhyme scheme A, B, C, B. The C, B. Same stanza, like the same second stanza, rhymes pair A, B, C, B. And in this third stanza, also rhymes pairs are the same like A, B, C, B. In the next stanza, fourth stanza, see what rhyme scheme? Yes, same rhymes pairs are the same like the fifth stanza also, because in each stanza contains a 4 line. With the 5 stanza, rhymes pairs are the same. Now let's move toward the important topic of this video, of this poem, that is figure of speech used in this poem. Each line, even the... Now let's move toward the figure of speech used in the poem. Each line is very important in this poem. See the first one, apostrophe. What is mean apostrophe? Dead object is called considering it is alive. Yes. Example, when I had money, oh money. Explaining poet is calling money considering it alive. It is kind of figure of speech. Personification, but here apostrophe mark is there, so figure of speech is apostrophe. Yes, and the second example from the fifth stanza, but now I have no money, oh. So the same, see the second figure of speech, repetition, word is repeated for musical effect, which is very well known about repetition. When I had money, oh. Yes, here word money is repeated for musical effect, and in the second, I knew no joy till I went poor. Here I is repeated, so figure of speech is repetition. Next, onomatopoeia. Word expresses the sound, it is called onomatopoeia. And how the vowels do hum like bees, hum, the sound, which words hum express the sound. Next figure of speech in this poem is inversion. Word order is changed for an emphasis. For example, for many a false man as a friend. See, word order is not like subject, verb and object. So, word order is not a correct prose order. So, correct prose order for this statement is a false man as a friend for many. One more example, poor men think I need not go up. And the next example of inversion is much I have thought of life and sin. Inversion is very simple. When there is not order like the subject plus verb plus object, whenever there is sentence words are misplaced here, so here it is called the inversion for the emphasis. Now see the next figure of speech, alliteration. Beginning of the sound word is repeated for musical effect. Here alphabet word is repeated. When full word is repeated, it is called repetition. Don't be confused among repetition and alliteration. For example, alliteration, for many a false man as a friend. Is repeated. Sound and F is repeated for musical effect also. Is repeated. It is a can be repetition, can be alliteration. Now second example, because a man is dead, I dead. And the third one, poor men think I need not go off. The fourth one of example of alliteration, my many friends proved all untrue. The fifth one, my friends are real. Next figure of speech is simile. My dear friend, here each line of the poem is very important as far as figure of speech is concerned. Simile, comparison made between two objects which is shown by words like, as, such. Yes, an example of first one. Next figure of speech is simile. Comparison is made between two objects which is shown by words like as, etc. Example of simile. For many, a false man as a friend. Here, as is comparison is made between the friends and false man. It is shown by words like as, so it is simile figure of speech. Yes. Now second example of simile is then. Fetch I like a child that holds. Here, like word is used. The comparison between the I with the child. And the third one. And now how their wives do hum like bees. And the next one, so much as rich men should come down. Here the comparison with the help of word like as, so, such, like, so it is the simile figure of speech. My dear friend, in this poem each line is very important as far as the figure of speech is concerned, so do it very carefully. Next figure of speech is metaphor. Indirect or implied comparison is made between two objects. Example, how poor men's hearts are even light. Here, implied comparison is made between light and the heart of poor men. Implied means what? Direct comparison. Implied comparison. And next is metaphor. Indirect or implied comparison is made between the two objects. It is called metaphor. How poor men's hearts are ever light. Explanation. Implied comparison is made between light and the heart of poor men. Next figure of speech is metaphor. Indirect or implied comparison is made between the two objects. Example, how poor men's hearts are ever light. Implied comparison is made between light and heart of poor man. Next example, because a man is dead, I dead. Here also indirect comparison. Next figure of speech is antithesis. Use of two opposite words or opposite ideas. Example, poor men think I need not go up so much as men should come down. Word up, down is opposite to each other, so it is called antithesis figure of speech. And my dear friend, this is the poem Money, which is very important. Appreciation of the poem I will upload the very soon. So I hope you understand the poem. Poem is very simple, which the theme is telling about when the poet is having the money, he is having lot of friends, but no happiness, and now he become the poor. He is having the limited money, even we can say no money, but he is having the very few friends, but which are the very true. And here poet is telling us about the importance of money in your life. Money, by money you will get everything, but you will not get a satisfaction, you will not get the real happiness. Dear friend, I hope you understand the poem. जब जेब में रुपए हो तो दुनिया आपकी औकात दिखाती है, और जब जेब में रुपए ना हो तो दुनिया अपनी औकात दिखाती है. I remember this quote by when I go through this poem, because yes, money is very important, but only money can't give you a real happiness. As poet is telling the theme of the poem, yes, money से आप सब कुछ खरीद सकते हो, सब कुछ ले सकते हो, लेकिन real happiness आप नहीं ला सकते. So very important, poet is telling in this poem a message to us. Yes, we should have friend, but we should be very loyal, very true, and help other. If you have money today, don't know tomorrow.